Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to those of you who are logging on today for the New York Wine and Grape Foundation's Business Partner Spotlight on Economy Products and Solutions, Inc. We are very excited today to be joined by Ryan Hanley, who is the president of Economy Products and Solutions. And today we're basically going to get an introduction into all of the different ways that their company has worked with New York wine and grape industry over the years and some additional ways they'd be looking to partner with you in the future. So solutions, ideas, products and services that they can bring to the table. And we're certainly excited to get to know Brian. And while Brian is going to give us a wonderful overview of their products and services and the company and all the ways that we can work together, we certainly encourage you, those of you who are here with us live today, to go ahead and ask your questions about your particular needs. And Brian would be happy to answer them while we're here today. So feel free to either use the chat feature on the right-hand side of your screen or the Q&A feature at the bottom, kind of middle of your screen. And so with that, Brian, I guess I will hand it over to you. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being our newest business partner at the foundation. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, Valerie, and thank you for inviting us and having Economy Products and Solutions on today. Hello, everybody. My name is Brian Hanley with Economy Products and Solutions. We simply just wanted to introduce our company today and let you know the vastness of our product line. Some of you may know us from wine packaging currently, where we sell the trays and corrugated and tape, but we have so much more to offer, and we think it's an exciting solution for people to be able to, for lack of a better word, one-stop shop. So we have this presentation and we'll just roll through it, and feel free to interrupt at any time and ask any questions. The company overview is, we'd like to share with you, that was started as a paper company in 1936. And in 2016, it was purchased by Tim Wesley of the Westcott Group, a local businessman in the Rochester area. And then Economy Products and Solutions was established. We rebranded the name. Unfortunately, in 2016, we lost Tim to a battle of cancer. 2018, the business transitioned ownership to his wife, Denise. We are now a New York certified woman-owned business in Rochester. We have 26 team members working in the Rochester location. We want to share with you the product categories that we're involved in as a company. We made a distinct decision several years ago, because we are a supplier of printing papers and packaging materials to commercial printers in upstate New York and manufacturing for our packaging materials. And as our base of business started to decrease with the reduction of business at companies like Kodak and Xerox and Bosch and Lomb, we as a company started to look at what New York State was offering us as far as a distribution company and supplier. And we turned into the food processing market, understanding that New York State is very rich in natural resources and has great water and soil, and that originally took us into actual food manufacturing companies, and then that's led us into growers and packers, such as vineyards, wineries, apple growers, apple packers. So that's why we're here today, because we've really made a major shift in our business over the years to accommodate and work with the strength of what we have in New York State. So our product categories are wine packaging, corrugated printed materials, printed tape products. We work with a couple of people now working on their printed tape for carton sealing, food processing supplies, vineyard products, janitorial supplies, sanitation products, food service and tasting room supplies. And in the wine packaging category, we store and distribute molded pulp trays. So we have the 3-bottle trays, the 1 and 2 bottle trays. We do corrugated inserts, the corrugated shippers. We do specialty printed shippers, corrugated shippers, carton sealing tape, plain and printed. We do pallet wrap, strapping, labels, and we do all the related equipment that goes along with the packaging materials. We do the hand wrappers for the pallet wrap. We do automatic pallet wrappers. We do manual and automatic taping equipment. We have void fill packaging equipment for air pillows and paper machines. So we're very deep into the packaging end of the business. The other product categories are food processing supplies. I don't know if many of you have heard of Remco tools, but we're a Remco tool distributor that is the color-coded brushes, squeegees, and handles, sanitation chemicals such as PAA, peracetic acid, chlorinated chemicals. We do bin liners and can liners, hand care, full safety with gloves, masks, hairnets, hand washing stations, all related products. When we talk about vineyard products, we recently have taken on a line of bins called the Decade line. So we're going to be presenting bins to the grape industry, vineyards, and also apple industry, as well as the onion and potato industry. We're also have heavy duty nitrile gloves. We stock those for any spraying that may go on in the vineyards and the orchards, and we have equipment wash for tractors and things like that. Then we move into our janitorial category. We're a full janitorial supply house of restroom products, everything from toilet tissue, towels, hand soap, odor control for your restrooms, and all the related dispensers. Building maintenance, we have ice melt products, entrance matting, logo matting, brooms, brushes, mops. And with all the cleaning chemicals, we have disinfectants, surface cleaners, floor cleaners, drain maintenance products, green seal certified products that we deal with. The COVID kill claim products, we have several of those, and all the related microfibers and wipers and things like that would go along with those products. And then we have our food service tasting room. We kind of lumped a lot of this stuff in there together with that. So if you have cloth tote bags, we can customize those, which you can see on our presentation here for people to purchase product and take out of your facilities. We have cups, we have napkins, we have plates, utensils, warewash systems. If you do food service in your facility, we can help with the warewash system and set it up, and any of the related disposable products or cleaning products for having food related service in your winery. I'd like to introduce you to our sales team, Cooper, Bill, Scott, Stephanie, Tiffany, Emily. Our sales team is available for in-person, visits, talks over the phone, Zoom calls, conference calls. And, we feel that the service expectations, high level personalized customer service, specialty stocking programs, we will talk to, and we currently do for wineries and other customers have specialty stocking programs. We know that not everybody's needs are the same. Some of you have different products, and we know that there has to be some specialty stocking programs for those needs. Custom solutions will work with you on printing, like I said earlier, of the tape, the corrugated cartons. Custom packaging solutions. Not everybody wants to use a tray or molded trays or whatever. We can come up with other programs for you. We think one of the biggest things that we offer as a company is the consolidated deliveries and invoicing. So as we've spoke about all the different products that we're involved in, you probably deal with anywhere from 3 to 6 suppliers across these product categories. And we think that there's an opportunity to consolidate that so that you're getting less deliveries, you're processing less invoices, less receiving, and that's the real cost driver out of the system, we think. Accurate and timely invoicing. A lot of people don't think about this much, but when you do think about it when there's a problem with your invoice, when there's pricing problems or quantity problems, it takes up too much time, it takes up too many people's time, and we pride ourselves at Economy Products and Solutions on our accurate and timely billing and invoicing processes. We have on-site expertise. You can contact us and get immediate answers. There's, not a lot of going back and forth to solve your problems. And ordering from us is, very, very easy, and it's your choice as to how you want to order. And we understand that people have different ways that they want to do business with their suppliers, and we accommodate all those. We have live customer service representatives. You will not call in and get a recording to talk to someone. You're going to talk to someone live. We have live sales representatives, like we said earlier, that if you want some on-site consultation, they're definitely going to be there. You can order website through our customer order portal, email, you can fax us, and we also have pickup available at our facility too. And that's our Economy Products and Solutions presentation.
Thanks, Brian. That was great. This is Val. I haven't seen any questions come in yet, but I have a couple, and I was hoping that we could just chat for a few minutes about a few things. So if you could point out, or if you could say from your perspective, what are like the biggest, are there areas that are the biggest mistakes that wineries are making, or areas that might be places they should be exploring for savings opportunities?
I think currently today in the packaging industry, the entire packaging industry is under a great deal of stress from a volume, supply, and price standpoint. And it's not just raw materials. As our economy opens back up, believe it or not, the corrugated carton is becoming very difficult in lead times, and from a pricing standpoint, prices are escalating, unfortunately, at a very rapid rate. And it has to do with all the online ordering that's been going on in our country has been taking up more and more packaging. So since COVID, that has actually added to it a bit. And of course, a lot of wineries through COVID did a lot of online ordering, which was wonderful and great for you. We hope it worked out well for you. But now as the rest of the country opens up, all those packaging materials are coming into play. And the more that we can manage the flow of product and our inventory, it's really mostly on us, the distributor. And this is where the distributor plays a role in your business, is that, you know, you want us to stock that product and you want us to make the investment in the inventory rather than you making the investment in the inventory and going outside and renting space to be able to store product. That's where we feel that economy products can help with our purchasing power, our storage space, and our deliveries. That's really where we will come into play and help you reduce your cost. And we do the same thing with in the apple industry too. The apple industry used to buy trailer loads of trays to keep on their floor. Well, we inventory them now for upstate New York, and people don't have to do that. They buy them by the pallet. So that's really where distributors play a key role in working with the end users, such as the wineries. And then all the ancillary products, I think, rather than buying from so many different companies, you can have wine trays, you know, delivered along with your cleaning chemicals, your sanitation chemicals, your toilet paper, your hand towels, your labels, your tape. All those things can ride together on the truck.
Right.
And if anybody's done any business with us, I think you know that our deliveries are very consistent. Our trucks are equipped with lift gates, so if you don't have a loading dock, we can bring it down to ground level. So those are the things that we bring.
Yeah, that's a really good point too, because it's certainly, you know, it's about efficiency, right? And making something that is, you know, complex to manage all of these vendors and all of these things a little bit more simple if you've got one source. But it's also kind of about sustainability. And I was just wondering, you know, our members, wineries, are really interested in sustainability from many different facets. And so certainly transportation and carbon footprint is one of those things. Are wineries inquiring with you into sustainable packaging materials, and what role do you guys play in that discussion?
Well, specifically, people have not asked us questions about it.
Okay.
But the products that we supply are all very sustainable. The molded pulp trays are all manufactured from completely recycled products. The corrugated that we sell takes a full loop program here within New York State, and we can explain that a bit, that the manufacturer of the corrugated has a massive recycling facility in Western New York. And a lot of the office waste papers, which we support this program, they pick up our office waste papers and our products and take them back to their facility in Western New York, recycle them into the corrugated liner board sheet, and then we repurchase corrugated cartons from that waste stream and put it back into the market.
Great. Well, yeah, I mean, I think it's going to be, if it's not a conversation now, it's going to be even more so. It just, you know, every year that's passing, it seems to be a conversation in our industry. So it's good to know that you're already kind of working in that way. So if people are interested and say they have multiple vendors for all of these different products or services, and they wanted to just talk to you about, you know, what their current status is and how they could get started with you, what's the best process for that? Do you kind of do just like a get to know us kind of intake, like let's take a look at your business type of call?
Oh, absolutely. You know, we're still very a company that likes, when it's available, in-person visits.
Sure.
We like the customer to understand us, our people, and we like to put our people at your facility so that we can see what you're currently using, make suggestions, and it's all about making suggestions for possibly a better way to do things and to reduce your cost. That's what it's all about for us and our people. And that's how we train. We train our people to look for alternate solutions that are better for the end user and to help drive cost out of the system for them.
Well, that sounds great, and certainly like something we all need. This was really valuable. It was certainly valuable for me to listen in on this as well. So again, thank you for being here. I can't remember if on the last slide you had your contact information, but I wanted to give you a chance to show that again, if it's available, just for those who are either here with us live or coming in later. If you wanted to just give your contact information, Brian, that would be awesome.
You can contact me at my email at bhanley, Hanley, at epsroc.com.
Perfect. And we'll make sure to, for those of you who are going to get this recording via email, we'll put your email address in that as well so that people can just click on it. Yeah. Thank you again. We really appreciate your time. And thank you for joining the New York Wine and Grape Foundation. We look forward to working with you, and hopefully we'll see you back here soon.
Thank you very much, Valerie. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.
Have a good day. Take care.
Bye.